Unplugging the Mystery. Understanding, my ears are plugged. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a common phrase that often puzzles learners: my ears are plugged. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you describe a specific physical sensation accurately in English. Let's unravel the mystery together. When someone says, "My ears are plugged," they're describing a feeling that their ears are blocked or filled with something, making it hard to hear clearly. This sensation can be similar to what you might experience during a flight or when you have a cold, where your ears feel clogged and your hearing becomes somewhat muffled. Ears can feel plugged for a variety of reasons. Common causes include changes in air pressure, like when you're on an airplane, water trapped in the ear, after swimming, for example, or a buildup of earwax. Sometimes, it's due to congestion from a cold or allergies, which can block the eustachian tube in your ear, leading to that stuffed-up feeling. Knowing how to express this experience in English is crucial, especially if you need to explain why you're having trouble hearing or if you're seeking relief. You might say, "I feel like my ears are plugged. It's hard to hear. Does anyone else's ears feel plugged on this flight?" These expressions are useful in everyday conversations, especially in situations where the sensation affects your ability to communicate effectively. If your ears are plugged, there are several remedies you can try. Yawning or swallowing can help equalize the pressure in your ears. Over-the-counter decongestants or nasal sprays might relieve congestion if that's the cause. For earwax buildup, it's often best to see a doctor rather than trying to remove the wax yourself. Remember, if the feeling persists or if you experience pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. We hope this video has clarified what it means when "my ears are plugged," and how you can deal with this common issue. Remember, experiencing and talking about different physical sensations is a big part of learning a new language. And now you're one step closer to mastering English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.